My name is Adam. I'm with SDS Organic Solutions out of Sioux City, Iowa and New Providence, Iowa. We are a mortality and organic recycling company. We take anything that's organic, whether it's feed, whether it's dead livestock, even something as simple as yard clippings that a landfill can't take, compost them and turn around and sell compost. And then we also utilize as much of it on our farm as we can as a fertilizer replacement, or as much as we can replace within reason. We use payloaders, obviously, to load semis, to turn piles, receiving and then shipping out as well. It's pretty crucial to our operation. We ran into trouble with standard tires that come on these payloaders, and they just were not cutting it for us. We were experiencing a lot of compaction. Any damp conditions that you're running on ground that isn't highly compacted, we were shut down. With the weight of the machine certainly sticking in the mud, and it just didn't have the grip that it needed or flotation to pull itself out, and that became a large challenge for us. We partnered up with SDS Tire out of Minnesota in hopes that you would find a solution to our problem, and that's certainly what took place. The difference was night and day. We mounted them here at the shop. Super simple, jack it up, take the tires off, put the new tires on. I've got 750s on there right now. I don't know that I'd want to go any smaller, and I don't think I need to go any larger. We utilized it around the yard on dry conditions just so we could get that steel to kind of relax a little bit, retightened everything, and it went to raining right away. We decided just to try it, and we've never looked back. Payloader really doesn't get any days off now. We're able to go through so much more. We're able to stay on top of all the surfaces for the most part, unless it's really squishy mud. We've got track skid loaders that obviously can still get out there, but your visibility out of the payloader, your efficiency out of the payloader is so much greater. We're really pleased with these tires. It seems to be doing absolutely everything I need, so you guys hit the nail on the head there. We used to have quite a bit of wheel hop going down the highway. I haven't experienced that. There can be a little bit, I guess, if you get on a goofy highway, but by and large, your stability is so much better being all the way up in the cab. Sometimes with the factory wheels and tires, you felt like on side hills that you potentially could, the odds are you probably weren't going to fall, but you felt like you could. Now your stability is so much greater that it really makes you feel a lot safer in the cab. We're probably going to slowly start moving all of our tractors over to this style of tire. That's why we partnered with NTS. Our salesman, Ryan, he's going to be our salesman until he retires. He's done a fantastic job. We were a little wish-washy in the beginning. Had nothing to do with him. It just, we didn't really know anything about floater style tires on a wheel loader, and he walked us through that whole process from start to finish. It's been a very seamless process and something that has kind of catapulted us to the next level as far as being able to work on rainy days and days when otherwise the conditions just were not right. I guess in closing, I would say that one of the things that's made SDS stand out from other recycling companies is that we've partnered with companies like NTS and Mid-Country Machinery. There's a reason that we use the equipment we use, and I plan on purchasing, like I said earlier, a lot more tires and rims for other existing equipment that we have. We believe in it, and we don't plan on looking back.